The question is like this: a straight highway leads to the foot of a tower. A man standing at the top of the tower observes a car at an angle of depression of 30 degrees, which is approaching the foot of the tower with a uniform speed. 6 seconds later, the angle of depression of the car is found to be 60 degrees. Find the time taken by the car to reach the foot of the tower from this point. Little bit complicated one, but we need to think and draw. First of all, a straight highway leads to foot of the tower. So consider this is a highway. So a car is moving from here to toward the tower. A tower is there. On the tower you have a person. He is observing this car. So if you take this line of sight as horizontal and this depression angle, observing the car with a depression angle which is 30 degrees. At first, the car is moving with uniform speed and it is moving toward the tower. So assume that after some time, after 6 seconds it is given. So after 6 seconds it is here and it is observed with a depression angle 60 degrees. So we need to find out the time taken by the car to reach the foot of the tower. So this distance it has traveled with some time. So that time we need to find out. So first of all we need to find the distances, velocities, and then the times. Height of the tower is not given, only angles are given and time of approaches are given. We need to find out the time reached by the car from the second point to the base of the tower. Consider v is the velocity or speed, uniform speed of that car. So it is traveling some equal distances in equal intervals. So let it be v, and let the height of the tower be h, or name it like a, b, c, d. So if that is the 30 degrees angle of depression, then here it is 30 degrees and this is also 60 degrees, because for parallel lines, for a transverse, you have alternate angles as equal. So if that is 30 and this will be 30 and this is 60, then this will be 60. So from here we need to get the triangles first. Triangle ACD and triangle BCD. So in that I am considering the angles. Tan 30 is equal to DC by AC, and here tan 60 is equal to DC by BC. Okay, so we got two relations with the trigonometric ratios. DC is common for those two. Let's equate that one. So here DC is equal to AC is not given. Okay, let it be AC. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3. So AC by root 3 is the value of DC, and here DC is equal to tan 60 is root 3 and BC is not given. Let it be like that. Now equate those two. So AC by root 3 is equal to root 3 BC. So AC is equal to this, by doing cross multiplication you will have root 3 into root 3, that is 3 BC. So AC value is 3 times that of BC value. Okay, 3 times that of BC value. We need to find out BC. So here it is AC is equal to 3 BC. So whatever the length of BC is there, we need to take 3 times of BC to get AC, and it is given that it is car is moving with uniform speed. Then the time taken to travel from A to C will be 3 times more than traveling from B to C. So the time required to travel from A to C is 1/3 of the time required to travel from B to C from the given relation, because it is moving with uniform speed. So from this I can say AB plus BC is equal to 3 BC. So AB is equal to 2 BC. That means AB distance is double than BC. When a car is moving with uniform velocity, for traveling from A to B it is taking 6 seconds. Then for traveling from B to C it will take 3 seconds, because AB is double than BC. Because AB is double than BC, for traveling from A to B it is taking 6 seconds. So for traveling from B to C it will take 3 seconds. So our answer is 3 seconds. So how it will come, just we will prove here. So AC is equal to AB plus BC, but AC by T plus 6 is equal to AB by 6 is equal to BC by T. So because everywhere from A to B or from A to C or from B to C, it is moving with uniform speed. So when it is moving with uniform speed, respective distance with respect to time will constitute a speed, and that speed is equal everywhere. So I am just mentioning this one. I am considering this one. AB by 6 is equal to BC by T. So AB by 6 is equal to BC by T, whereas AB is double of BC. So 2BC by 6 is equal to BC by T. BC gets cancelled, 2 1s are 2 3s are. So your T is equal to 3 seconds. So with analytical approach also we can tell that 3 seconds is the answer. With mathematical approach also we can say 3 seconds is the time traveling from B to C.